song is called The Ratchet Blackout. I got this guy filming me the whole time, so I gotta do obnoxious ass shit like just cause he's here, you know? I'm sweating like a motherfucker over here. Are you ready for this? Put your hands up if you know the song, The Ratchet Blackout. I bet half of you are lying. It's okay, here we go, The Ratchet Blackout. This is for you, Houston. This song goes out to my favorite type of woman.